Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So basically this one is going to be uh, Bournemouth versus Spurs. Another entertaining match will happen yesterday, 1 o'clock IST, and it was a home game for Bournemouth at the Vitality Stadium. So yeah, let's talk about the game very quickly. I'm on the auto right now, but yeah, let's make a video of it. So if I talk about the game, a very entertaining game. Final score was 3-2. Bournemouth win, get the 3 points. And first half was very good. Opening goal scorer was Matthias Tell for Tottenham Hotspur. A good finish from him, and then 2 back-to-back goals from Bournemouth. It was Ivan Nilsson and Junior. One was in the 20th minute and one was in the 36th minute, I believe. And then that was pretty much the first half of the game. And then second half, if I look at Joao Palhinha scores towards like the 70th or 80th minute, I think so. And then for Bournemouth, it is 2-2 right now. And then right towards the end of the game, it is added on minutes, 6 added minutes. And yeah, Antoine Semenyo wins it for Bournemouth. He scores a nice low-footed right foot shot into the bottom right corner, and he wins the game for Bournemouth. Gets the 3 points. And it was his birthday plus his last game from Bournemouth, because he is making a move to Man City by today. So yes, that was his last game, and it's a good emotional win for him personally, and contributing to the club of Bournemouth. So yeah, good overall performance from Bournemouth as well. Spurs were lacking in the first half. Should have had one more goal at least in the first half. Second half also, defense was absolutely disastrous by Spurs. So yeah, Spurs need to improve on the defense. Attacking is looking very solid. Richarlison, Joao Palhinha, Xavi Simon, Matthias Tell, and a few other players. So yeah, Spurs need to work on their defending now, and midfield a little bit more so defending. Goalkeeping could have been better. If I talk about Bournemouth also, defense was lacking as well, but not as bad as Spurs. So yeah, definitely Bournemouth need to improve their defense little bit, because Lewis Cook and one of those guys made a defensive error. But if I talk about attacking was absolutely solid. Yeah, so definitely good match for definitely, as I was saying, sorry, I got distracted a bit. I was just getting down from the auto. As I was saying, yeah, good performance from Bournemouth all round, for a nice emotional send-off to Antoine Semenyo. Apart from that, yeah, as I said, defense needs to work a little bit. That duo of Lewis Cook and that the goalkeeper and Lewis Cook need to have a little bit of more communication between them, and one more player supporting Lewis Cook. Otherwise, midfield and attacking looks very good. So nothing needs to be improved there. Now, if I talk about Spurs, one last thing. I think Thomas Frank needs to change up the tactics a little bit when it comes to playing 11. Although you have great players, sorry. And you have the likes of Bergwijn, Archie Gray, Charlie Gray. Then you have a lot of youngsters in that squad. So I don't know how Thomas Frank is gonna play. At least some of them, or at least most of them, in the playing 11. But yeah, something needs to change for Spurs, because right now they're in the UCL also they need to cook. They're falling short a little bit there. So yeah, let's see what happens with that. But one second.